Hello friends, till now we have learnt about the T ratios of the acute angles. Today also we will learn the T ratios but not of angles but their complementary angles. First of all, what are these complementary angles? Look at the figure. In right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degree. Then the sum of angle A and angle C will also be 90 degree because we know that the sum of three angles of a right angle triangle is 180 degree, and if angle B is 90, then the remaining two angles will also give the sum 90. So angle A plus angle C is 90 degree, and therefore angle A is complementary angle of C. Similarly, angle C is complementary angle of A. Means angle A and angle C are complementary to each other. Earlier, we used to calculate the T ratios of acute angle A, that is according to this figure. Today we will find the T ratios of acute angle C, and those T ratios will be in terms of angle A. Means we will find sine of 90 degree minus A, cos of 90 degree minus A, tan of 90 degree minus A, etc. The basic rules of T ratios will be same. We have perpendicular, base and hypotenuse with us, but according to angle C, we have to shift the base and perpendicular. Means for angle C, the base line will be side BC and the perpendicular line will be side AB. And now instead of using angle C, we will use the term 90 degree minus A. First we revise the T ratios of angle A, that is sine of A was perpendicular upon hypotenuse, here BC upon AC. Cos A was base upon hypotenuse is equal to AB upon AC, and tan A was perpendicular upon base, means according to the figure it is BC upon AB, and remaining three T ratios are the reciprocal of these three ratios. Means cosec A is reciprocal of sin A, means equal to AC by BC. Secant A is the reciprocal of cos A is equal to AC by AB, and cot A is the reciprocal of tan A, value is AB by BC. Now we find the T ratios for angle C, means for angle 90 degree minus A. In this same figure, we take the side opposite to C, that is AB, it as perpendicular, and the side on which C angle is made, that is side BC, it is the base, and hypotenuse will be AC. Now the T ratios of angle C, means T ratios of 90 degree minus A, are written as like this. Sine of 90 degree minus A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to AB by AC. Cos of 90 degree minus A will be base upon hypotenuse, means BC by AC, and tan of 90 degree minus A will become perpendicular upon base, means AB by BC. So we are having three T ratios of this complementary angle. The remaining three T ratios are obtained by just reversing these three. Means cosec 90 minus A is equal to AC by AB, secant 90 minus A is equal to AC by BC, and cot 90 minus A is equal to BC by AB. Friends, here look carefully at the ratios. The first value is sin 90 degree minus A, and the ratio is AB by AC, and it was the ratio of cos A also. Similarly, cos 90 degree minus A is equal to BC by AC is the ratio of sin A. Again, tan 90 degree minus A is equal to AB by BC is the value of cot A also. Cot 90 degree minus A is equal to BC by AB is tan A. And lastly, secant 90 degree minus A has the ratio AC by BC which is same as cosec A, and cosec 90 degree minus A is equal to AC by AB is same as secant A. And when we remove the ratio from in between, we get sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A, cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. Similarly, tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A, cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A. Secant 90 minus A is equal to cosec A, cosec 90 minus A is equal to secant A. Interestingly, all the t ratios are reverse of each other. Sin is reverse of cos, cos is reverse of sin, tan is cot, cot is tan, secant is cosec, cosec is secant, but all this only in case of complementary angles. Remember, complementary angles are the angles whose sum is 90 degree. Please take the screenshot of this page. It is an important page that will give you the complementary angles. We have to write 90 degree minus A in place of angle C and no need to write any other angle. That is all for today. Study hard and stay healthy. Share this page maximum with your friends. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button so as to get the notification of our latest videos. If you have any doubt related to complementary angles, you can write to us in our comment box or Twitter us or even mail us. Our mail ID is given in description box. So friends, take care and work hard. Bye bye.